wake up one morning, you realize your life is one big compromise. Stuck in the job you swore was only temporary. I feel like the world is passing you by. Never done all the things you wanted to try. Stuck in one place, got a pain in your face from all your stressing out. You ask yourself, there's got to be more than what I'm living for. What I'm living for. What I'm living for. You ask yourself, there's got to be something else, something more. There's nothing, nowhere to go. You try and fight, but you can't let go of all the pain. Got so much to gain. Now is the time. You ask yourself, there's got to be something else, something more. Your life go to waste. Now is the time, got to make up your mind. Let it shine on